Saif Ali Khan promoted Visit Britain's romantic Bollywood campaign in Mumbai. Take a look.
Thank you. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. So I'm very proud that you've asked me to be brand ambassador. I love India and I also love England. And I think we've shot, like I've said in the film, I think I've said everything in the film. We've shot some of our best films in London. We've had some of our nicest holidays in England. It's an amazing country. It is a varied country. You can have different kinds of holidays. You can have lots of fun. You can have a quiet cultural time. You can have a exciting nightlife kind of time, or you can have a very romantic and quiet time. I mean, you can do anything, and you can shoot different kinds of films also. There is architecture and a kind of a Downton Abbey feeling to the whole place, of course. There's also a very down-to-earth, rustic feeling to England. There's the countryside, there's the city, there's Scotland, there's Wales, there's a very varied landscape in which to make your films. And also, speaking as a film person, one of the best things is that you get tremendous support from the government to make your movies there. You get about 40% off as a rebate if you shoot your film there, which is an incredible incentive. And it's basically a lovely place to be. Yes, I mean, I used to shop a lot. I'm trying to stop now, I think. Yes. But my wife still does.
Excellent. See, so again, I think it's a fabulous shopping.
It's a
shopping
place that
venue.
you can spend all your money. You won't know where it went also. Honestly, you won't know where it went. I don't think there's that much responsibility on me. I think it's a lovely compliment they've asked me to do this because I understand both countries and I've actually spent time living in England and working in England as an Indian. So I'm someone who understands that situation really well. I think it's like I said, it's a great compliment and an honor. But I mean, responsibility is a strong, very strong word, you know. I think probably, I mean, every time has been amazing. My first time was when I was 7 years old. That was quite memorable because I got lost. Yes, I was reading a comic and walking behind my mother, and when I looked up, everyone was gone, and I was on a crowded street, and a policeman sort of helped me. And I remember thinking of the English police as being very nice people. It's been memorable every time. I think, you know, it's a second home for me. It's somewhere where we go and relax. My wife loves it too. My father used to love it. We have very strong family connections, and you know, I think it's, like I said, it's a second home.
Saif, recently, you know, this whole controversy of love jihad has popped up, and a member of a political party has made statements saying that the Khans promote love jihad.
We're not going to answer these questions.
No, but
I have to ask you this here because,
Yes,
you know,
please.
we don't meet often, so please. It's important to know your view on that.
No, I mean, my view on that is something irrelevant, that doesn't matter. But in England, I'm very interested because with all these things happening in the world, I also find England to be one of the most tolerant countries in the world. And the British government is amazing with their Asian residents and sort of Indian and Pakistani people who live there. And they're very responsible and look after them really well, you know. And I don't think you'll find silly remarks like that happening very often with the British press.
Just one more question. We were also hearing that you've beefed up security for Kareena. Is that true?
No, I'm not a security in charge for anybody. My mother was a very, very good censor chief, and she's a responsible person who's not lenient to people because they're family members. I have a lot of respect for Pehlaj Lilani, and I wish him all the best. He's also a lenient father and a very good man. I've worked with him. No, I don't think it's such a big... I mean, we can work around censorship. We've always done that. The important thing is to try and make good films. I don't think censorship is what is responsible for us not making as good films as we could, you know? So it's not really as big an issue for me.